The year is 2022 and today is April 20th. It is time to get wasted, but I'm going to get wasted differently. My green doesn't come from a doctor's prescription. It's 420 and this is Empires and Cocktails. Welcome back to the bar. If you haven't subscribed, then you're an idiot. So if you can just go ahead and like and subscribe, yeah, that would be great. Thanks. Today's victory shot is Dom Benedictine, and we're going to focus on Dom Benedictine in the May cocktails. But for now, just a shot. Click like and subscribe so you can check out next month's videos using Dom Benedictine. Your life very well may depend on it. Today we're mixing the Diamondback. It's named after the hotel bar it was first mixed in, the Diamondback Lounge. It opened in Baltimore, Maryland in the 1920s. Now, the bar was named after a turtle called the Diamondback terrapin. It's the Maryland state reptile. I didn't even know states had official reptiles. So I slivered on over to the interwebs, did a little research. Here in Florida, the official reptile is the alligator. Do you know what gators eat? Everything, including turtles. So, I guess, suck it, Maryland. 3/4 ounce of Calvados, which is an apple brandy. Three-quarter ounce of yellow Chartreuse, but first we have to have ourselves a shot. Very good. 1.5 ounces of rye, and please make sure your rye is at least 100 proof. Ooh, I almost forgot. We need to have a shot. Ooh, boy, that's good. And garnish with a cherry. And that's the Diamondback. Today's word of wisdom is boilerplate. If writing is boilerplate, that means it's the same damn cliched meaning it always is. You know what to expect from words of wisdom by now. It always comes after the cocktail. I come up with a word, make some joke, and count with my fingers. Blah, blah, blah. These are so boilerplate, I wouldn't be shocked if my writer was using Mad Libs for a template. All he needs is 2 verbs and a preposition. Then his work is done. We've all seen so many of these at this point that we know what's coming next. The screen is about to cut to black. And then we're going to see a clip in black and white. And if you don't believe me, watch this. You see, I told you. Utter boilerplate dribble. Completely predictable.